get one.
Pull up on the little Explorer. Hey, we start building those now.
With the keys.
Little daylight kit.
Yeah, hey, that'd be sick.
That's sick.
That'd be sick.
Be a bunch of soccer moms hitting us up.
Yeah. I don't want to be late for soccer practice.
Crazy 1040s or 128 on the Explorer. Damn.
What is that? What? Kids will never be late. 650?
10, 6, 650 like a 10, no? 10, no, that's like a high 6. Alright guys, so we're at Evadale Raceway today. We got a Gary here to rent us a track. We brought the S650 with the pretty much a prototype S650 kit, which we should be releasing in the early stages of next year. Well, the goal today pretty much is break the record of the S650. I think it's an 820, 840, but we're trying to go 7s. So we're gonna leave this in the video if we go 7s, and now we'll probably take it off, so we're gonna look stupid. But yeah, we made a first pass. It went like a 540 on low boost, so looking good. We got Yair, our friend, being a jockey today. We got him because we're a little fat. I'm including Manuel too because he thinks he's skinny compared to me. So yeah, we got a driver, our friend Yair from Trevino's Muffler Shop, so helping us out today. We got the whole crew here. But the goal today is to go 7s. And like I said, this is the same exact kit we're gonna offer early next year. It's a daylight kit. It's like a 5-inch intercooler, cold side on twin 6466 precision turbos. 10-speed, stock ECU, just everything, you know, fuel system, everything to support it. So we'll see here shortly. We just made our first pass. We're gonna go make a second one, and then hopefully only takes 3-4 tries. That's the goal today. 3-4 tries, go back home. But yeah, that's the driver right there. The skinny one out of the hole.
Me? Nah, tú no, güey.
That's two Jairs right there.
That motherfucker's a driver, boy!
Damn, that was scary.
You said the brakes are fucking nuts.
Holy shit.
Just get your tongue.
Yeah.
Woo!
That was scary.
813, boy. Scratching. Evolution can. Nah, Evolution's cool. Fuck a Whipple though. Hey, he was sketchy up top.
Hey, wait, he almost lost it, right?
I told him, be careful with them brakes.
Yeah, he hit it too hard. 530, 138.
24 pounds.
128, same 60.
That converter, I think, is a little too loose for that. Or maybe it needs more power.
Where like it goes and comes back down, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I guess it needs more boost. That's crazy. Like, second pass. 813, 173. 530 at 138. Second pass on this car, period. That's crazy. 128.60,
yeah,
still take more.
Long, though, because I was sketchy up top.
Dude. Oh, you're gonna see that GoPro footage.
We have that GoPro footage, that POV. Take the brake too hard for it. Nah, man, that bitch was bumpy.
Hey, wait, you almost lost it?
Huh?
You almost lost it out there or no?
No, se estaba haciendo así, güey. Brincaba. On the bump.
Le dije yo al carro así, dije, no, shit.
I saved it though. 813. 813?
Yeah, 813. All good?
Yeah.
Look at the GoPro.
It was bumpy. That bitch was bumpy.
Oh, let me see the helmet. You still recording or no?
I'll turn it off right now.
That's crazy.
317. Let me take a picture of that.
That's crazy. 317?
Look at it. It
The short shifted
upshifts the 2.3.
It's short shifted right there, I heard it. I guess it just needs more power or what? That's crazy.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Te asustaste?
I saw the car like, no.
Fuck.
That shit looks scary. That GoPro POV is gonna be wild.
spins and you stay in it, it'll just keep spinning. Usually you go off the front wheel, not on the rear wheel. Well, it can, but you're supposed to have a front wheel.
Where did we touch two racks at one time?
Huh?
Over there?
You see, yeah.
You have to be right here. Your tire has to be right here.
Is this shitty, way? Like literally like half of the tire contact you lose.
It bounced over here, though. It was after.
So this was the third pass, and now we went to the right lane because there's a little something going on the left lane up top. We had a little bump, and then the car got squirrely. You could probably see it in the video. So he just made a hit past the 8th, maybe 1,000-foot mark, lit off, just to get a feel for the right lane. And I think now maybe the next pass should go more boost, and should go that 7-second pass. But car's running good, it's shifting good, everything's good so far. We haven't hit it with too much boost. I think it's on like 24 pounds, 25. We already beat the record. Already went, was it 8-1 something, 173. Pull out my receipts. 813 at 173, like 24 pounds. So I mean, it's not a lot. So could take a lot more. Trans is short, shifting, everything's good, but we just had a little issue. So right now, what we're fighting is the track, not the car. Nothing going on with that. It's just the track is a little sketchy up there. We usually come and race at this track, and we only do 8th mile. We never been full quarter, at least not trying to go this fast. So yeah, up there, like I guess the road is like very coarse, so you lose a lot of, I guess, tire patch. So yeah, the other pass is spun, but I don't know, we'll see. Check out the car, and then if it's all good, I guess we'll do a full hit here. If it feels a little sketchy still, we might go to another track just so it's safe. We don't want to wreck this car, you know. I'm not following this bucket. I just came to watch.
You a spectator?
I just came to watch, and then I'm so happy.
Huh? 802. Let me send the log real quick. They probably pulled timing up top.
I thought it did feel like it died a little bit.
Yeah.
Fue la pinche quesadilla, cuz. Fue la quesadilla, cuz.
Right?
La quesadilla.
La quesadilla, cuz.
It wasn't too crazy, way.
Pues se te fue de un lado, ¿verdad?
Yeah, I went to the middle, and then I just saw sparks coming out of the brake.
How'd that feel, Russ?
Fuck it.
I think that was the recording.
When at 802.
Alright, fuck it, I'll
shit.
try now.
Take turns.
My turn.
My turn. 802 at 172. I said 176 on the dragging. You're right though. This side reads less on the mile an hour, you know? Yeah, so 176 on the
That was
dragging.
definitely more up top.
525, 140, 141. It went at 802 at 172.
And that's with the converter that I've had on the shelf for what? 4 or 5 years. Suncoast, billet, both together.
Just because we had issue with the other ones. Shit. Yeah. So put this converter just because we had issues with the other one. So it was just like, let's see what happens. But it's working. Obviously, I mean, it's working. So what, 7 second hopefully next one? It's right there. I saw the 805 on the Dragon, like, man, hopefully it was off by a little bit. But 802, I mean, it's there.
beat you in a mile if you run like that. Oh shit.
Twice. There we go.
It's not twice.
Yeah, you gotta go there and come back. That's half a mile. Go there, come back to another mile. There you go. I said, if a car don't go 7 right now, I'm gonna bust a U-turn. And just line up and take off again. But physically, it probably won't work. But mentally, it will.
No, 173. Se pasan de verga,
It
193.
says 793. Oh, you said 174.
Yeah. Chúpamela. Hey, get his reaction. Show him the shit. Be like, 8-0, we're gonna make another pass or some bullshit. 8-0-1.
No.
We're gonna have to do it one more time.
Yeah.
Yeah, gordito.
I would have gone 750 with Yango though, but I had to plant the car.
He wasn't mentally ready like Sebastian.
Like Sebastian. Nah, it's all good shit. Hell yeah.
518 and 142. Let me see the Dragon.
Oh shit. Yeah, I saw the 7 on the Dragon. Like, fuck yeah. That's all. Ain't no way when 8 on the damn slip.
Yeah. We some fool.
Yeah, I ain't gonna fool me. Shit.
Oh, it did. 177.
Yeah.
What, 100 to 150?
256.
Go ahead and put that bitch on.
Here you
There
go.
you go.
Baby. Let me see the
Where's the
video.
slip?
Right here.
Look, let me show you. All right, come on, chat. Let's try to zoom in right there. 793, 174. Yeah, we good. Yeah, they worked. Okay. See, well, there you go. Quickest, fastest. First and only in the 7s, S650. But, yeah, I think good. He's a parachute though, but in a cage and a lot more shit, but it works. Look at the car, the trim. Let me show you everything. It's not too crazy. I mean, carbon doors, but I mean, we still got panels. Yeah, it is. The first time, the first track outing. I think on the first pass, it was already a record. Yeah, first attempt. We got a full dash. We do have a carbon seat. Full center console. We got a door panel. I mean, it's gutted, but it isn't, you know. Got everything still in. It still has AC heater. Full panels. So that's it right there. So now that we're in 7s, I don't know, we might put a little 400 9-inch, might go a little crazier, but 518 at 142 in the 8th, 126.60. First outing. The converter's too loose. I mean, it has a lot more in it. Boost too, it has a good, yeah, a lot more in it. Yeah, I think we actually come out a couple times ago, 750 or something. I don't know. But until somebody comes and gets the record, we probably won't be out here again. That's it right there. First in the 7s. All right, guys. So that wraps up this video. We went 7s, and the 4th pass. I think on the first pass, I think we already had the record. Just comparing, you know, the 60 to 130s, 100 150s to the previous. I think it was a Whipple car record. So every pass went faster, and eventually we got our 7. Car needs a parachute and a cage, but we had to do what we had to do today. So Daylight Performance S650 kit, proven, it works. First time out. I mean, y'all saw it. So beginning of next year, S550 kits, S650 kits are dropping. So if you got one, let us know, or just wait a little bit more, a couple more weeks, months. We'll have them available with precision. It's a whole, pretty much like the way we have the F-150s. It's a whole kit. You pretty much everything you need, put it on, ready to go. You know, and as you have Manuel and myself to help you guys out on any kind of tech questions y'all guys have on them. So yeah, that ends this video. Thanks for watching. Check us out on our website, velocitypartsperformance.com, daylightperformancehouston.com, and our merch website. I don't got our merch on today, but nobody has them today. But yeah, shopvelociracing.com. Thanks for watching.
Vamos a agarrar el pinche abanico otra vez.
Oh, it's your water pump or something.
I get the little fumes.
Yeah, I can't use that shit no more, bro. No mames. You're gonna turn into a truck. You're gonna turn into a thief. Be at the school.
You wanna get rid of it? It's your belt strip, though.
Is it?
You're missing 2 ribs. Yeah, look. You can see the damn rib on the...
Oh yeah, you say oh yeah.
You don't even got a belt. What are you putting deodorant on? Estás acá tirado tú. Yeah, look at the belt. You're missing 2 ribs. Yeah, you need to change the extra, bro. Take it back home.
Change it right now.
Go home. Go to Adel.
You got 75,000 miles, man. Every mile will be put on by me.